Good morning. Today is September 20th, 2022, Tuesday, and the market is declining, but I would like to talk about the stocks that actually are reversing, and in spite of the general direction and negative direction of the market, are in fact going back up. I call them reversing. So you could actually see them inside of my app, which is called StockRank. It's available for iPhone, iPad, Android, and Amazon tablet devices. So you could see this list. But let me just go through this list. Tesla is going back up. It's reversing nicely. Walmart is also reversing, and it's a nice buy, to enter at this point. Deere Company, the one that trades diamonds. PNC Financial Services, basically a bank. Ambev, guys who make beer. Lloyd's Banking Group, which is British bank. Banco Argentina, it's another one. It's an ADR, also reversing. Then there's there's a stock that's the name of it is Grab. So it's a Grab Holdings Limited. So if you look at the charts, as you could see here, they are, the stocks hit the bottom, and now they are reversing very nicely. So it's time for you to jump in if you want to take advantage of that trend. So if you want to find out more about stocks that which stocks to buy, you could actually download my app by going to the website called 2stx.com, and this website will take you to directly to the app stores, to the Apple App Store, Android App Store, and even Amazon App Store, because the app runs on Amazon. I mean, on Amazon tablets. It runs also on iPhones and Androids, both on tablets and the phones. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye bye now.